One of the things that I've learned is that it's so important for technicians to explain what's going to be happening, because I've seen it happen on many occasions. I mean, the bottom line is a technician doing a good, thorough service is a value to the homeowner. But sometimes a good, thorough service takes time. And if they had somebody else out a year ago that they were in and out in 10 minutes, they may not see the time it takes as a value. It may actually detract from the value. I was on a call one time with a great technician in Southern California. It's a maintenance call. The guy had 2 systems, and the technician was so thorough. Went in, pulled the blower motor, cleaned it, we spent an hour in the attic on the first system. We're going down to the basement for the second system, and I overhear the homeowner on the phone, and he's telling someone on the phone, yeah, the plumber was in and out in 10 minutes. I got an HVAC guy, he's been here for an hour, he's not even done yet. The fact that this technician was taking such time to do it, such a thorough job, which was great for the homeowner, was actually detracting from the value because the homeowner didn't understand. And so it's so important, I think, for a technician to say, now, Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner, depending on what I find, we're going to go through this thing from tip to stern and do it may take a little longer than what you're normally accustomed to. But I'm sure that's the kind of service that you expect from us.